This place is called Pubkey. I'm here for a tech founder and investor networking meetup, and that's the only agenda. This place is also called the Bitcoin Bar, so I put together a cool Spherio for this. We'll see you later. Check it out. Just messaged the director of organization at the Columbia University and asked him if he wanted another volunteer. Do you want to do it?
Okay, I could come in the afternoon or something like that. Noon or what?
Where do you think I should put it? Right here? Okay. Do you get a drink? You want to go meet everybody? So this event at Pubkey is going great. I'm meeting tons of people, and I just met this really nice girl. These are legitimate tech founders, very real people associated with Tech NYC. So I have created a Spherio particularly for this event. I made a 16-bit Spherio, okay, that directly hyperlinks into the bar. Now what I'm going to do is open it inside of AR and geotag it right inside this room for people to like discover and contribute to in the future. So here we go. I'm dropping it, tagging it, and it's done.
Everybody open Spherio on my phone.
You'll see it first. You would see it tagged on the map here. Yep. It's pretty cool. I love being a tech founder. It opens up so many doors to the world and so many interesting people. I'm so grateful.